What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ellie Talks Money. In today's video, we are going to talk about the biggest business credit and funding mistakes you are making right now. Okay, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and like this video, please. It really helps my channel to grow so I can keep giving y'all this game. Okay, and go ahead and subscribe too, because I'm working my way up to 100K and I'm very excited to get there. If you follow me on other platforms, you know that we've built an amazing community on Instagram and TikTok, so now we're building on YouTube as well. So grab your notebook, grab a pen, and let's get into these gems.
Ellie talks money to create the better days. Business, money, life, the Ellie way.
All right, y'all, let's get back into the video. So we are talking about the biggest mistakes you are making when it comes to getting funding for your business and building your business credit. Listen. If you are someone who's up in the middle of the night looking up, how do I fund my business? How do I build business credit? You're stressed. You want to make this idea happen, but you don't want to use all of your own money or your funds are limited, then I'm really glad that you're here. The number one mistake so many people make when they're building their business credit is they are trying to do it without an actual business. And I know that seems crazy, but trust me, people often think that you can build business credit even as a sole proprietor. You do need to have a full LLC, which you can form either at inkfile.com or with your Secretary of State on your own. And when you have that LLC, you also have to make sure that you have an EIN and that you also have a business bank account, okay? You wanna make sure that you have these key things. That is how you're actually going to build business credit. You cannot build it from a personal bank account. You cannot build it without an actual business. You cannot build it without an EIN. You have to do it with a business. The next mistake that I see is people thinking that they need excellent personal credit in order to build business credit. Now, I wanna break this down really clearly. You do need personal credit for some areas of scaling your business. There are going to be times where you want to get a credit card or a loan for your business, and they will ask for your personal information to see if you have good personal credit. But is it a requirement to build business credit? No. You can absolutely build business credit with certain companies and lenders without utilizing your personal information at all. And let me break down a couple of these right now. So you can start building your business credit score and your business credit report with companies like nav.com and eCredible. I will link those down below, and I have some videos where I talk to you guys in detail about what those companies can do. But you're also able to get a lot of cards and trade lines directly in your business name. For example, certain Net 30 accounts like Uline, Quill, Crown Office Supplies, Wise Business Plans, these are going to build your business credit, and they do not ask you for your personal information at all. These are vendor accounts. Now as well, you're able to get revolving credit accounts from certain retailers like gas cards, so Fuelman, Chevron, BP. Also, Staples, Office Depot, Amazon, these have revolving cards or lines of credit that are given to you in your business name, and you do not give any personal information. So that as well is building up your business credit. In addition to that, you have larger lines of credit with bigger retailers like Apple, Best Buy, Home Depot, Floor and Decor. All of these are also going to give you lines of credit that you can utilize in your business name, and these do not have anything to do with your personal social security number. So there are plenty of ways to build business credit and secure funding without using your social. A couple other great companies that you can use are Divvy, Brex, Capital on Tap, Jeeves. There are so many, okay? Now, I don't want you to get overwhelmed by a list, so I am gonna link as many as I can below, but what I do want you to do is come to my free, fully funded masterclass. So I teach an amazing class teaching you how to get funding with business credit, grants, writing your business plan, and how to improve your personal credit to increase your chances. And the class is free. Now, when you sign up, one thing I want you to do is add on your fully funded bundle. That's gonna come with 3 things: your workbook, your business plan template, and my top lenders list. And it's only $37 to add that on. So make sure that you add that on so you come to class extra prepared. That way I can give you all of these gems in one secure, easy place, okay? But that's another big mistake, right? People think you need personal credit, and I've just given you so many companies and ways that you do not need personal credit to build business credit. The third biggest mistake I see people making is they are not using payment processors. They're using Cash App, they're using Zelle, they're using Venmo as a means to accept payment from your customers, but that's not helping you build up your business credit. It's also not helping you increase your chances to get a loan. You want to ensure that you are using a payment processor that's connected to your bank account. So let's say that you have a customer, you're doing their hair, and they want to pay you with Cash App. Instead of that, have them pay an invoice, get a Square reader that you can connect to your phone so they can swipe their card. Now with Square, people can also use Apple Pay. You want to make sure that on your end, it's going through a payment processor, because now when that gets deposited into your business bank account, when a lender asks for 3 months of bank statements, they can see these deposits. In addition to that, you want to ensure when you are using those payment processors, you're actually building up history with that lender. So when you run, 3 months of sales with Square, now you can qualify for what's called working capital with Square. And a lot of payment processors have this, where they give you a certain amount of loan or line of credit based on however many transactions and however much transactions you're using their payment processor for, which is essentially a loan, right? And you did not have to give your personal information for that. So that's another big mistake I see business owners making is, I know you guys want to have, give people convenient ways to pay, but Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, those are not the most optimal ways to give you the ability to scale your business and be successful, okay? Girl, I just need to give you a round of applause, because you are working on your business, you are building your income, you are the main breadwinner of your family, you may or may not be a parent, you are doing so many things to change your life and to change the life of those in your future. But let me just step in and say this. Do you have life insurance? Because if you're doing all these amazing things, you need to go ahead and add the cherry on top and ensure that you have a policy. I'm so proud of you. I know that you are doing great things. So let's go ahead and increase your greatness and make sure that you get coverage. This is why I love Ethos. They make it really easy for busy people just like you to get a quote in literally a few seconds, answer a few simple health questions in minutes, and have coverage as soon as a few days. That is fantastic. You don't want to wait any longer to get life insurance because prices are going up all the time. You care about your future, you care about your family, and so really putting life insurance in place ensures that your care is backed up with protection. I'm going to make sure I link Ethos down below so that you can get a quote right now and customize it to exactly your needs. I cannot wait to help you get protected. Bye. All right, you guys. So a bonus mistake or, bonus mistake pro tip that I see a lot of business owners make is they don't have a business website. Now, so much of the time we think we need to have this amazingly done website in order to build a business. Listen, you just need to have something that people can type into Google, www.businessname.com, that'll take them to a page that tells them about your business, maybe shows them pictures of your product or your service, and a place where they can essentially buy or check out. What you don't want to do is be building business credit and applying for loans or products with lenders, and you tell them to DM you on Instagram is how you make your sales. We don't want that. Very important to have some place where people can find you, even if it's a simple landing page that you can hire someone on Fiverr to create for literally less than $50. That is going to be what you need, okay? You want to ensure that when a lender asks you, hey, how do you plan to make this money back? How do you plan to make sales? Where's your website? That you can show them a place where people can go, look at your business, read about your business, and click add to cart, okay? That is super, super important, and another great way for you to establish yourself as a credible business and really build trust with those lenders. So I want you guys to comment down below, what mistakes do you think you've been making when it comes to building your business credit, and what are the biggest challenges you faced? Make sure that you sign up for the fully funded class, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.